Hey guys, just want to update you with some things about virtual learning and what you need to be doing on your end. I have put this on my Google Sites. It is your responsibility to be checking our Google Sites and Canvas daily for assignments and forms to be completed. I have uploaded things onto our Google Sites almost daily. So you need to get into the routine of checking our platforms and making sure that you're doing what you need to do. So on Google Sites, I have information about Zoom meetings, okay, the weekly check-in, tell me how things are going at home, a little letter to you, your expectations, student suggestions for remote learning. Okay, make sure that you've read that document. Student wellness check, you're filling out that form as well. There are things on here that if you have not read or if you haven't filled out the form, please do so. Okay, and you're not just only looking at the home page, you're also going to our ELA and social studies subpages. Okay, because I have put a Google form here that you also need to fill out and also in social studies. So please make sure that you are going onto Google Sites daily and checking the home, ELA, and social studies subpages. Okay, please make sure that you're reading everything. Also, ELA, it's very, very important that you guys are reading these announcements, okay? They go out at 7:30 in the morning. Okay, it's from Miss Curtis, but it is to all of you, okay? Even though Miss Curtis is not your ELA teacher, okay? Our Canvas course is for all of 6th grade ELA. So please make sure that you're clicking on announcements, okay? And you're looking here, okay, with the directions that we have for you. So we're talking about the poetry project. Okay, so how you're doing is you're reciting your poem on a flip grid. Okay, because we're virtual now, so we're not in the classroom. You're not having to recite it in front of a class. Okay, you're going to be recording it. Okay, and then others can view it. Um, you're going to upload a copy of your virtual learning tracker to Google Classroom. Okay, this gets tricky. Now, a lot of you are like, it says, to post to Google Classroom, but you don't have one. No, I don't, but I have my Google Sites. Okay, so whenever it says for you to upload something on Google Classroom for ELA, you need to be thinking, okay, Miss Walters, Google Sites. Got it. I'm going to go there because I have these things there for you. So here for social studies, I have a form there for you to fill out. And here at ELA, here is where you turn in your virtual learning tracker. Okay, so I update all of that on my Google site. So I know it's confusing whenever it says Google Classroom, but just keep in mind that it is my Google Sites. Okay, so just go to Google Sites and I have all of that stuff for you. Um, Again, this is a very, very challenging time. I completely understand that it can be overwhelming. I get overwhelmed too. But if you need me, email me. Okay, I will always uh, reach back out to you. Um, I miss you guys. I know this can be very stressful and challenging, but you need to get in a routine. Okay. And we're gonna have things uploaded on the virtual calendars, things for you to do. So make sure that you're doing it day by day. Okay, because for the whole week you should be doing 90 minutes. Okay. That is in the student suggestion document. So please don't do everything all at once. You need to be pacing yourself and going day by day and making sure that you're following all of those directions. I really, really miss you guys. If you need me, please reach out to me. I'm here on my laptop and I will reach back out to you. Love you and miss you guys.